Hi friends, are you ready to draw one of our favorite characters, Bluey? Today we going to learn how to draw Bluey step by step in this fun and easy art lesson. Now we are using materials. This is for drawing line and fold bar drawing, black color, pink color, blue color and yellow and dark blue. Okay, let's go to the drawing. Now we draw bluey eye. Small like one circle inside like this. After it, half round because here bluey nose will come. Now we draw bluey nose like a diamond shape for tip of nose. Then mouth. Bluey always smiling mouth. Okay. Then patches. Fit. Okay. Now bluey teeth. After it is face like this and this one like this. After small oval. Okay, now face is ready. Like this. After we draw to bluey ear. Rectangle is like this. Second one like this. So very easy. After it, we draw bluey body and hand. This is the right hand side like this and fingers. Okay. Bluey body will finish. Another hand and fingers like this. Okay. Now the pages. Now we draw the tail. Like this. Now we draw the bluey leg. Another leg like this. Okay, now we draw the bluey. Second part we going to coloring. Now we draw color to eye. Like this is black and nose also black like this. Again we use the dark blue for bluey badges. here and here, yeah, here also dark blue, here also. Okay, drawing is very useful for our creation. Day to day practice, it will become automatically easy. Here and tail also. Okay, then we going to draw two nodes for yellow. Okay, then yes inside also yellow. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and like. After for tongue, it's the pink color. Be always smiling like you. Then body, the light blue. Tail also. Bluey cartoon is very fun. I love this Bluey cartoons. If you like Bluey, kindly like this video. We are daily updated for more cartoon drawings. Here also. This also. And here. Okay, now we apply our drawing. The Bluey is the very beautiful. You do same like this. Thank you very much. If you are interested, kindly subscribe me, like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.